Hello, Mr. Lopez. My name is Dickie Bill Wagner with Media Magic Marketing, doing a screencast to analyze your website against two competitors on the Google search Facilities Management Contractor El Paso. I did use a Google, I did use a Google search Facilities Maintenance and Management Contractor El Paso. Got that off your website, the term, and you ranked number one. Perfect. Great job there. You also ranked number one organically on Google for Facilities Maintenance Contractor El Paso. You ranked number 8 in the map packs, which is a local Google listing, but number one organically underneath the sponsored ads and lists. As far as this one goes, Facilities Management Contractor El Paso, you do not rank at all on that list at all. So not in the map pack. Underneath the lists and the government websites, there's ABM, and then there's Synergy Project Consultants. Okay, and out of the websites, out of the three, this is yours. Looks great, love it. The pictures, especially these things, the SEO is working in your regard. ABM, their website isn't as nice, but for this particular thing, they're ranking very high. And then the Synergy, SPC for short, they are using a WordPress website, which is very friendly for Google searches. And we'll get to my software that I used on analyzing websites. This is yours, Mirador Enterprises. And I know that you're in a few different states, New Mexico and Colorado, besides Texas. And your domain rating is at 16, and your URL rating is at 1.4, which is it's okay because of the specialty that you guys are in, but these numbers should be a little bit tighter. You have about 203 backlinks, which are very important as far as Google rankings are concerned. And so it looks like whoever you got doing it is doing a great job. Your keywords are 51, and your value of your traffic is $111 per month. Now, ABM, let's go to their software ranking. They have a domain rating of 70 and a URL rating of 2.1. Not very tight at all. Really, if they were tighter, there would be no stopping them. But their value of they get 10,000, over 10,000 searches a month. And they estimate the value of that is about 18,500. So they're really, really knocking it out of the park with a lot less. Their website, in my opinion, is not as good as yours. And this is just that one search, and that's what they're getting. And for SPC, the Synergy Group, they're actually a lot less. Their domain rating is 3.3 and the URL is 0.1. And that's a pretty tight ratio there. They want to keep it less than 5 for maximum ability. They got one backlink and they're ranking so high for that facilities management contractor search for El Paso. 2 keywords. Interesting. 2 keywords, facility maintenance services and superior maintenance solutions. When I looked at yours and ABM's, they did not show up there. So basically, this was a complimentary service that Media Magic Marketing provides. And I got to say, you guys are doing a great job. If there's anything we can do to help you out, please feel free to reach out. Thank you for your time. I just wanted you to see where you were at. You were not ranking in that one search, and but the other ones that I did mention, you're number one. So that's about it. Have a great day. Thanks for letting me talk to you.